We'll guide you through how to create Figma ads using the most up-to-date methods and UI elements for 2025-2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma and start a new project by clicking on the New File button on the homepage. Once inside your project, go to the top left corner and select the Frame tool by pressing the F key or clicking on the frame icon. Choose the dimensions for your ad, whether it's for social media, a website banner, or another format. You can find presets like Instagram or Facebook ads in the right sidebar under presets. Next, you can begin designing by selecting the text tool from the toolbar on the left. Click anywhere on your frame to insert text. It's important to use clear, bold fonts for ad copy to ensure readability. Now, add images to your design by dragging and dropping them directly into Figma or by using the Place Image option under the File menu. You can resize and position these images by clicking and dragging the corners. To make your ad pop, consider using Figma's built-in features like gradients or drop shadows, which you can find in the right-hand properties panel. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export it. Click on your frame to select it, then go to the top right corner and click on the Export button. Choose your desired format. PNG or JPEG are great for most ad platforms. Finally, save your work by clicking the File menu and selecting Save As to store it in your Figma projects or export it to your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.